gonna back it up. We're gonna back it up a little bit. I got you. Go ahead. You're gonna come in as close as you can. So you're gonna come to the left, and then you go back out to the right and set it up like you normally would. Come back to the left, left. Yeah, come up to the left. All right, go to your right. Yeah. Woo. You go to your right. Yeah, come back to the left. Yeah. Stay in the middle. Stay in the middle. I need you to go that way. All right. So what needs to happen right now? Yep. Go ahead, you good. Just keep an eye on that side. All right, start to slowly get under because you don't want to hit the curve. All right. Bring it in a little bit, just a little bit. Yeah, bring it in just a little bit. All right, stop right there. Let me open the doors. I'm gonna open the doors up real quick. The tires you want to get, hey! The tires you want to get right here. All right.
You get the tire for a loan, man.
All right, yeah, come on. Yeah. Slowly start to get under it. Yeah. Come on, hold it. Yeah, come on. All right, no, stop. Yeah, pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up, yeah, pull up. Pull up as much as you can. All right, come back to the left a little bit. Come back to the left as you pull up. No. Pull up as straight as you can. Slowly come to the left. All right. Remember, you don't want to pull up. You don't want to back up the same way you pulled up. So I need you to go to your right. You got to brake the plane. Yeah, go ahead. All right. Now you want to back it up. Wait. What needs to happen? What's that? Slowly start to get under, correct. I need you to slowly start to get under it. Yes. Yes. All right, just keep going hard. Just watch the front. You got plenty of space here. You good? Keep going. You good? All right. All right. Once we get the back where we want it, let's slowly, slightly push the front over a little bit. If you can see, the back needs to come in just a little bit towards the driver's side. So we're gonna slowly push the front over just a little bit and then slowly get under it. Quickly get under it. I'm sorry. So yeah, slowly push the front over. All right, now get under it quick. Yeah, yeah. You good? Just watch that side. Get a glance on the other side. Make sure you're good. All right. All right, stop right here. You see the back needs to come in this way to the driver's side. So let's go ahead and kick it a little bit. Kick it, kick it. I need you to kick it. Stop, 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 stop. I need you to kick the back to the driver's side. No. I need you to kick the back to the driver's side. Right. Just a little bit now. All right. Go ahead. I need you to actually see it moving. After you you're good over it. After you kick it over, get under it. Get under it. You're gonna back it up all the way and then we're gonna shift it. Keep it straight. Keep it straight. No, 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 no. Back up. I need you to stop. I need you to back up and I want you to get under it. I need you to stop. Turn the wheel to the right. Turn the wheel to the right. Get under it. Get under it. Look at both sides. I got you. I got you. I got you, man. I got you. I got you. All right. Can you see down both sides? Or we're going to shift it over. Remember, we're going to go to the left, right, left. All right. When you go to the left, I need you to watch the trailer, okay? You're limited on space. All right, go to your right. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Look at the back. Yeah. All right, now, nope. Stop. Now you need to straighten it out. So we need to go to the right. We need to straighten the trailer out. So go to your right to straighten the trailer out. And then before it straightens out, come back to the left. Stop, stop, stop. Yo, I need you to pull up. We're pulling up. We got to do the serpentine. First is left, right, and then back left. Come on. Yeah, we got to straighten the trailer out. All right, come back to the left to get under it. All right, stop. Remember, you want to stop whenever you can see down both sides of the mirrors. So you can do a straight line backing. All right, come on. I need you to turn the wheel. Yeah. All right, slowly start pushing the back in. Yeah. Slowly. Then get under it. Get under it. All right, keep it straight. Keep it straight. Keep it straight. Keep it straight. What? Well, we need to back up and we're going to shift it again. You didn't shift it right the first time, so we got to shift it again. All right, stop right here. We need to go over. All right, he said we're good. Back up. Back up. Slowly, slowly back up. brake. The truck. You pull the truck? You pull the truck? All right, let off the brakes. Let off the brakes. What's that? Oh, you want me to slide the tandems? All right, yeah. We're gonna slide the tandems. Go, get back in, get back in. We're gonna slide. We're gonna slide the tandems.
Okay.
All right, so I need you to pull the trailer brake. When I give you a thumbs up, you're gonna pull forward. You're gonna release the truck only. You're not gonna release the trailer. When I give you another thumbs up, you're gonna push the trailer back again. Yeah, you're gonna have to remove it, release it to move the truck. Nothing until I tell you. First thumbs up, I'm gonna tell you to move forward. Second thumbs up, I'm gonna tell you to come back. Third thumbs up, I'm gonna tell you to dock it. Hey, pull the trailer. Pull it, yeah. Pull it. Yes. All right, slide forward. Go forward. Forward. Come back. Come back. All right, release the trailer and back it up. Release the trailer and back it up. Yeah, release the trailer and back it up. Make sure you can see it on both sides. So if you need to get under it, get under it. Go ahead. All right. Keep it straight. Look at both sides. Keep it straight. I need you to look at both sides, my man. Stop, stop. No, you're not straight. Pull up. All right, stop right there. Look at the both sides. Now you straight. Keep the wheel straight. Keep the wheel straight. Keep the wheel straight. Look at them. All right, back it up. Look at more mirrors. All right. Let off the brake. Let off the brake. All right. All right, let me show you something. Come here. When I tell you I need you to be able to see down both sides, I need you to be able to see down both sides. Down both sides. You can see down both sides.
I thought it was straight. It looked like I was. But...
All right, well, you can see the back of the trailer here.
All cockeyed over here.
All right, that's what I was trying to tell you. Yeah. You have to look at both mirrors when you're backing up.
Right.
Because you can't really tell. I mean, you can tell a little bit, but you can't tell as much as you can over there.
Because I could, the first backup was pitched towards the rail, which they were probably complaining about. She said that then I wanted to come back and come over. But I can tell by the line that I need to kick the butt in this way.
Yeah. But I mean, it's not straight, but it is. The guy said he was okay with it. Because we was going to fix it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I mean, it looks good over here. If you look at this line to the truck, it looks good. We just got to shift it.
Right.
But that line is off, so.
That was the one I saw.
But we good. Let's go look at the back. See, it was off a little bit on that side. If you look at the other side, it was off a little bit. So what had to happen was the trailer had to be just a little bit. But so you would have to pull up, do that, and then before you get to the dock, get under it.
So from here, I would come.
Was that?
Check. Looking it up to me.
Yeah, 225 you say, right? All right. I got another stop. Okay.
You guys gonna get this shit from Canada?
No. No, we got that in Utah. Yeah, we didn't go to Canada. All right. Yeah.
Your Miller plant?
The JBS.
Yeah, there used to be Miller
Oh, okay.
in Utah. There's our property is a big mink farm.
Yeah. All right. So in order for you to fix this, you'd have to pull up, slightly bring the back in, and just before you get to the dock, you would get under it, so you are perfectly straight, and then you're back here. In the back, you're good.
Good. So just pull up. No serpentine or anything. Just pull up.
You would try to pull up as straight as you can, so nothing really changes.
Yeah.
So whenever you're backing it up, you're like this.
Yeah.
You're gonna bring the front over. No, you're gonna bring the front to the right, which will bring the back in.
Okay.
Because the back of the trailer is the one that there's a gap.
Right.
So in order to close that gap in the back passenger side, we need to shift the front of the trailer to the right, because it will do this.
Gotcha. Okay.
And then once it does that, you're gonna have to get under it, and then back it up to the dock. All right, let me get this dude this check, man. That was good though, man. That was good. You know, when you backed it in, you was looking at it.
Yeah.
Bro, I don't know, man, but you're doing good on that.